Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how you can easily switch the navigation menu based on whether the user is logged in or not. This feature allows you to present distinct menus to visitors and logged-in users without the need for multiple navigation menu elements and brick conditions. To start, we go to the dashboard, then navigate to Appearance, and choose Menus to set up a new menu. There is already a main navigation menu in place, which will be displayed by default to visitors who are not logged in. But we need to create a new menu specifically for users who are logged in. And we name this new menu a secondary nav, but you can customize it as you wish and name it differently. And we will add menu items and save the new menu. After setting up the secondary menu, we should proceed to the Bricks header template to select the default menu for our header. Keep in mind that the menu chosen here will appear for users who are not logged in. In our case, we choose the main nav menu to show the users who are not logged in, then save the changes. Next, we must use a new Bricks filter, which will allow us to modify the navigation menu dynamically in Bricks Builder based on your conditions. In this tutorial, I will use the WP Codebox plugin, but you have the flexibility to use any other snippet plugin or add this filter to your Bricks child theme. After adding the filter, there are two important aspects to consider and adjust: the ID of the navigation menu element and the menu ID. To modify the navigation menu element, navigate to the header template, select the menu element, and copy the final 6 digits of the element ID. After copying the element ID, ensure to update the navigation menu element ID and save the snippet. Then we need to retrieve the menu ID from the URL parameter of the menu, return to the dashboard, then Appearance, and then choose Menus. But as you can see, there's no ID in the URL parameter. To get the menu ID via the URL parameter, click on Select. Now as you can see, the URL parameter is visible, and our menu ID is 9. Now go back to the snippet and change the menu ID to 9. Save the snippet and enable it. Let's check if everything is working as expected. The secondary navigation menu is now visible since we are logged in user. Let's rearrange the menu items to confirm this as well. Now that you can see it's functioning, let's log out and check if the main navigation appears. Well, that works as well. This can be useful for showing various menus to visitors and users who are logged in, eliminating the need for multiple nav menu elements and Bricks conditions. If you find this video helpful, feel free to show your support by liking and subscribing to our channel.